Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amaka. This is your first time here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and for all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. In this particular video, I'm showing you guys how I prepare my hair for wash days. Okay, this is what I do before shampooing, conditioning, and deep conditioning. So this is my pre-poo routine for natural hair. If this kind of video you like to watch, why not sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you haven't subscribed, why not? Please click the red button and subscribe, okay, for more natural hair DIYs and live videos. Alright guys, let's get right into this video. The product I'm using today is the AMLA oil. I've heard so much about AMLA oil. I've heard so much wonders about it. People leave it in their hair overnight and their hair just transforms like that. So I'm going to be trying out the AMLA oil on my hair as a pre-poo, okay, on my hair. So this is my hair. So I haven't washed my hair in 3 weeks. Yes guys, I don't do weekly wash days. I have to take it at least 3 weeks. Okay, so I'm going to pour out a little bit into my oil applicator bottle just to have a little bit of control while applying it on my hair. Ooh, this is slow. It does have a different scent, so in case you don't like this scent, if it is too much for you, you can add some essential oil just to mask the smell, but it's not bad. I think this quantity is enough for my whole hair, and we'll begin. Water, just water, my white tooth comb, and some hair clips just to pat my hair and work effectively. So let's begin. So guys, one of the major benefits of doing a pre-poo routine before you shampoo your hair is that it actually helps to cut down the amount of time you spend washing your hair, because this process enables you to just detangle your hair, give your hair enough sleep, which assists the shampoo. And so when you go into wash, it's very quick and it's very easy to cleanse your hair. Okay, so I'm just going to finger detangle that particular section and then spritz my hair with water. So the water will enable the oil to penetrate into my strands properly. So I go in and fully detangle that section, like comb out every knot, every strand, and then I apply the oil. Okay, so make sure I get it into my scalp and just work the oil into each strand of hair. Once I'm done with that section, I just go on and twist it up and move on to the next section. So here I was just admiring my hair. My curls were popping, and thanks to the oil I could notice that definitely still moisturize because I'm sure I used way too much oil, but it has enough sleep. Now if I go wash my hair, it's going to be very easy for me to shampoo my hair because my hair is already so soft and the shampoo is just going to go in and has enough sleep and just slide, wash through. So this is it. So guys, be sure to check the description box. I'm still going to list out some of many more benefits of AMLA oil for people and why you should use this oil. So check the description box. Can you see? I can actually pass my finger through my hair without any clumps. So my hair is fully detangled now. So wash day is going to be very quick. This is one of the benefits of pre-pooing because you get to actually detangle your hair before you start shampooing. It reduces the wash time, actually, the time you spend washing your hair. So once you've done this part, you just go wash, condition, deep condition, and you're out. So guys, this is actually the end of this video. I'm just going to go on now and follow up with the rest of my wash day, washing, shampoo, that's shampooing, cleansing, deep conditioning, and styling as well. But for this particular video, this is it. This oil is actually very good. I'm going to actually recommend it, and I'm going to try to incorporate it in my wash routines now. At least once every 2 months, I can try an AMLA oil or even an AMLA recipe. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it down in the comments section and I will definitely get to it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Okay, comment below if you've tried AMLA oil or if you use any AMLA powder or any other recipe you use in doing your pre-poo. I would like to know. And don't forget to share as well. Share with your friends and family. Please subscribe, okay, if you've not subscribed. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you guys in my other videos. Bye guys.